1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. These are the units of length. In other words, kilometer goes towards meter, meter goes towards centimeter, and centimeter millimeter. This is the relation of 1000, this is the relation of 10, and this is the 100, and this is the relation of 10. When we go to a smaller unit, we have to multiply. When we go from kilometer to meter, we have to multiply. Meter to centimeter, we have to multiply. Centimeter to millimeter, we have to multiply. Here the relation is of 3 zeros. Here the relation is of 2 zeros. This is the relationship of 1 zero. If we directly go from kilometer to centimeter, we shall use 5 zeros. And similarly, if we go from kilometer to millimeter, we have to use the relationship of 6 zeros. Similarly, when we go to a bigger unit, we have to divide. Millimeter to centimeter, divide by 10. Centimeter to meter, divided by 100. Meter to kilometer, divided by 1000. And we can take two units together. We can come from millimeter to meter by dividing by 1000. We can come from centimeter to kilometer by dividing by 100,000. Here I have few examples for you. We shall apply conversion. When we are going from kilometer to meter, our relation is of 1000. Kilometer is bigger, meter is smaller. So when we shall go to a smaller unit, we shall multiply. And as the relationship of these two is 1000, so we have to move the decimal 3 digits towards the right side. So our decimal is right now here. When we shall move it towards the right side, our answer will be 19 along with 3 zeros, or in other words 19,000. The relation between meter and centimeter is 100, but we are going towards a smaller unit. We shall multiply with 100 and our answer will be 8500, or in other words 85 meter equals to 8500 centimeter. 1 meter 100 centimeter, 85 meter 8500 centimeter. The relation between centimeter and millimeter is of 10, but millimeter is smaller, centimeter is bigger. So we have to divide. When we go to a bigger unit, we divide. Relation remains same, but when we go to a bigger unit, we divide. When we go to a smaller unit, we multiply. So when we shall divide it with 53 with 10, right now our decimal is here. It will go one place towards the left side and answer will be 5.3. In other words, 53 millimeter is basically 5.3 centimeters. This is 8.54 meter to millimeter. We are crossing centimeter. Meter to millimeter is basically 1000 relation. Meter to centimeter 100 plus centimeter to millimeter 10. So total zeros will be 3. And as we are going to a smaller unit, we shall multiply with 1000. Our decimal will move towards the right side as we are going to a smaller unit, and our answer will be 854, 2 digits, and along with 1 0, 8540. Decimal will move 3 digits, 2 digits are already here, 1 0 we have to create. 39 centimeter to millimeter, going towards a smaller unit, so we shall multiply it with 10, and the answer will be, as the relationship of 10, millimeter is smaller, centimeter is bigger, so our answer will be 390. 6.54 millimeter to meter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So basically you have the relationship of 3 zeros, or 1000. 1 meter to millimeter is the relationship of 1000. Now you are going from the smaller unit to the bigger unit. So when you are going towards the bigger unit, you have to divide. As when we go towards the bigger unit, the value, the digit becomes smaller. In bigger unit, digit is smaller. In smaller unit, digit becomes bigger. So when we are going towards the meter, we have to divide with 1000. Right now, decimal is here. We have to move it 3 digits towards the 3 places towards the left side. 1 digit is already available. 2 zeros we have to arrange or create, and our answer will be 0.00654. 6 and along with 2 zeros we shall move our decimal 3 digits. From here it will move 3 digits towards the left side. 5.95 meter to kilometer. Again we are going towards the bigger unit. Relation is kilometer and meter is 1000. We shall again go 3 units towards the left side. Answer will be 0.00595. As we have only one decimal place, we have to create 3 decimal place numbers. So 2 zeros will be added of our own. 6394 millimeter to meter. Meter to millimeter relation is 1000. Again you are going to a bigger unit. So you will go 3 units towards the left side. Your answer will be 6.394. Right now your decimal is here. It will go 3 units, 3 places back. So it will be 6.394. 3.9 centimeter. The relationship between millimeter and centimeter is of 10. So when you are going towards the smaller unit, you have to multiply with 10. As it is one decimal place, so decimal will direct move one decimal towards the right side and your answer will be 39. When we go from kilometer to meter, our relationship of 1000. When we go from meter to centimeter, our relationship is of 100. And when we go from centimeter to millimeter, our relationship is of 10. When we go to a smaller unit, we have to multiply. When we go towards a bigger unit, we have to divide. If we go to a smaller unit, our decimal move towards the right side. When we go to a bigger unit, our decimal move towards the left side. We can directly go from kilometer to centimeter. Our relationship will be of 5 zeros or 100,000. We can go directly from kilometer to millimeter. Our relationship will be of 1000, that is 6 zeros. Similarly, we can directly come from millimeter to meter, or we can come from millimeter to kilometer, and we shall just have the number of zeros accordingly and we can convert our unit.